Assalamu alaikum guys, I am your online tutor Hasnan Khan from YouTube. Today I will tell you about the print function. That print function how work as a simple calculator. Print function can add two things, multiply two things and subtract two things. So we check it practically. First of all, write print function. The number which we want to add right here. For example, I write 3 plus 7. Run it, shift plus F10. 3 plus 7 is 10. So try another. Print 6 minus 4. Run it. Here the answer is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So try another. Print 5 multiply 10. Shift plus F10. Now you can see there 5 multiply 10. Now we perform divisions. 20 divide 2. Shift plus F10. Now you can see there 10.0. Here 10.0 float division. If we want to integer division, so we can write double slash shift plus F10. Now you can see this is integer division. So thanks for watching.